Hey, what's up, you happy people? I'm boarding a boat at Gloucester, Massachusetts. We're going to have a deep sea jig fishing. And today's target is a pollock, haddock, and redfish. We left the dock at 6 o'clock, and the trip is about like 30 miles offshore. So we expect probably about 3 hours boat ride. Passionate fishing, happy living. I cannot wait. See you soon. Hey ladies and gentlemen, what a day! We caught so many fish. A lot of big pollock, one haddock, and a couple of the small size redfish. We had fun. I'm so delighted we made the trip. I'm looking forward to come back. We brought quite a few of the giant pollock home. Now let me show you how to clean them. First, make a single cut behind the head. Then make a shallow cut along the spine. Cut the meat off the bone carefully. Repeat the process on the other side. Now remove the skins from the fillet. Now we have this beautiful pollock fillet. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe. I want to use the pollock fillet to make delicious fish strips in light sauce. Talking about the light sauce, this is a cooking style that we use minimum sauce and let all the sauce coat on the food, so left very minimum sauce on the plate. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start. Cut the fillet into 1-inch strips. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken oil, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Marinate the fish for 15 minutes. Other ingredients include ginger, scallion, garlic, cucumber, carrot, and celery. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon seasoned oil. After marination, add a cup of cornstarch to the fish. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add water and mix it well. Add the fish to the hot oil. Take the fish out when they turn light brown. Let the oil heat up further. Fry the fish for a second time to make it crispy. Flash cook the cucumber and carrot in the oil. Add the fish and veggie in the hot wok. Add the ginger, garlic, scallion, and start stir fry. Finally, add the sauce and stir fry a little bit. This is the pollock strips with lettuce sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.